Top Best Trading Books for Beginners 1. Trading in the Zone. It took Mark Douglas 7 years to complete the book. Mark Douglas's book, Trading in the Zone, is a must-read for both beginners and reread for already profitable and successful traders. While bursting with informative advice on various ways of improving your trading skills, this book is primarily designed to adjust your behavior and the way you see things important for successful trading. For example, how to get a probability mindset and how successful traders see risk. The book focuses on the psychology of trading and the relevance of having a healthy trader's mindset. 2. Encyclopedia of Chart Patterns. It's a complete trading book to chart patterns. With tested and proven chart pattern strategies, Thomas N. Bulkowski also provided relevant explanations on using charts to improve your trading results. 3. Reminiscences of a Stock Operator. Generations of readers have found that it has more to teach them about markets and people than years of experience. This is a timeless trading book that will enrich your life and make you a better trader. First published in 1923, this book is the most widely read, highly recommended, and one of the best books for beginner traders. 4. Market Wizards. Interviews with Top Traders. One common theme among these traders is that avoid these trading mistakes. Jack D. Schwager also distills the top traders' responses down into a set of guiding principles and trading rules you can use to become an investing and trading star in your own right. 5. Psycho-Cybernetics. As a trader, you need to set and visualize goals to achieve them. You perform at your best when you have a goal clearly in your mind. That's because our subconscious mind works hard at assisting us. This is not a trading book, but I've found it to be one of the books that helped me the most in my trading. Just as important as setting trading goals, you must visualize yourself successfully reaching those trading goals each day. If you can't visualize and see yourself as a successful trader, there is no chance you will become successful. 6. Trade Your Way to Financial Freedom. This trading book features Tharp's new 17-step trading model focused on risk management. The book also addresses reward to risk multiples and insightful new interviews with successful traders and features updated examples and charts. 7. Way of the Turtle. Author Turtle, Curtis Faith, explains the entire experiment in detail, describing how Dennis and Eckhart could recruit 23 newbies from all walks of life and train them to be successful traders in just 2 weeks. If you're a beginner trader and unsure about how to start trading, this book will be of great help in showing you the importance of following a trading plan with discipline. The turtle strategy is okay, but this is an even simpler strategy that's profitable. This book explains the success of the simple trading system used by the group known as the Turtles. 8. The New Trading for a Living. I often recommend this trading book for those who are beginners to learn about the basic principles of trading psychology, discipline, risk management, and trade management. 9. Mastering the Trade. In this trading book, you will find and learn some trading techniques that can be used to profit in most markets and discussions on tools and techniques for profiting from intraday and swing trading setups. 10. Trading Price Action Trends. Al Brooks explains his price charts trading system. It's a great trading book of his system where you can follow his methods step by step. You will learn about institutional piggybacking, trend trading, trading ranges, and reversals. The ideas, trading strategies, and techniques found in Trading Price Action Trends bar by bar can help you take your chart reading skills to the next level.